guys. I'm so freaking excited, y'all. The Pottery Barn vase just came in. Oh my god, y'all. This thing is huge. It looks so much bigger than I thought it was gonna look. But y'all, and this packaging was, look y'all, how big this thing is. Y'all, oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. It looks so freaking, look at y'all. Look how big this thing is. Oh my god, so I'm so excited. So we're gonna make dinner tonight. We're gonna do some stewed chicken, Jamaican stewed chicken, and some white rice, and maybe something else, I don't know. But yes, I'm gonna get ready to make dinner. And then of course, y'all, look, I got more laundry. Like, what is going on in here? So I got a fold laundry. I'm gonna do like a little clean with me and kind of cook with me. So you guys want to see that kind of content, make sure you guys stay tuned. And we're gonna we're gonna cook some stewed chicken tonight, and we're going to so we're going to cook some stewed chicken tonight, and we're gonna clean, kind of like a clean with me, cook with me. So if you guys want to see that kind of content, make sure you guys keep watching. I'm also gonna start packing for my vacation for next week, so you guys will see what I put in my suitcase. So yeah, we're gonna cook some stewed chicken. I'm super excited about it. My son loves stewed chicken. And yeah, and I'm probably gonna find some floors to go in these vases to put on the coffee table. I may or may not. May run to the store right now. I don't know. I may just wait. But yeah, this goes on the dining room table. But yeah, we're gonna kind of do like a little chill cook with me, kind of clean and pack for the trip. So if you want to see the kind of content, make sure you guys keep on watching. If you have not seen my last video, I just posted it today actually. Go ahead, it's like a home update. So check that out. So I'll have the link below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so today we're gonna be making stewed chicken. I told you guys earlier. Y'all, excuse me how I'm looking a mess, but whatever, it's real life. So I'm going to just prep the stewed chicken. I'm gonna have to let it marinate for about an hour or so. So I'm probably gonna cook it later on. But yeah, so I'm gonna just slice up some red peppers real quick. An onion. I have one onion for it, and then I'm gonna use some garlic, adobe, some thyme, honey, ketchup, browning, and soy sauce. And you're gonna need some chicken broth, and then I have a little under 2 pounds of chicken. So let me just slice up these vegetables real quick. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and slice up these sweet peppers. I think I had about 4 or 5 of these, and then I'm also gonna chop up a yellow onion or a white onion. I can't remember which one. I think it's a yellow onion. I'm gonna slice that up as well to marinate the chicken in. All right, you guys. So I have the chicken here, and we're gonna go ahead and season it up. So we're just gonna use the onion. Honey, and you just need 1 tablespoon of honey. You can kind of eyeball it. Let me let that simmer down. Some garlic. I just use like 3 scoops of garlic. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and I just kind of eyeball it. Using some Italian seasoning, roughly about 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning as well. Some adobe. I haven't used my adobe seasoning in a long time, so it's kind of stuck together. 3 tablespoons of ketchup. I don't think I need the ketchup now. Let me see. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna just mix everything. I'm gonna show. I know I did a horrible job showing you guys what's in it, but I'll go over the details. All right, so pretty much what I put in here, y'all, I'm gonna show you. This is what it looks like this. We're gonna let it marinate in the refrigerator for about an hour or so. About 2 tablespoons of this, 2 tablespoons of honey, adobe, thyme, and some Italian seasoning, and garlic, and then the white onion. So I'm just gonna mix all up together, put it in the chicken. I'm gonna cover it and refrigerate it for about an hour, and then I want to come back and then I'll finish it off. I'll go ahead and cook it, but it needs to marinate for at least an hour or a night if possible. But this is what it looks like. And I'll be back in a few minutes or a little while once it marinates, and we'll go ahead and cook it all up. So see you guys in a little bit. All right, so I diced some potatoes that I end up sauteing in some olive oil and just some Italian seasoning and paprika. So now I'm going to remove those from the pan. I'm going to add the chicken to the same pan. I'm going to sear the chicken on both sides and add everything that I put in the marinade inside the pan and sear it on both sides. Right now I'm going to remove the chicken and set it to the side. Now I'm going to saute the sweet peppers in that same pan, and then I'm going to add the chicken back to that pan. Now you see me adding some chicken stock to the pan, and this is going to start the gravy. I'm adding the additional ingredients like the ketchup and then the browning seasoning as well. And this is going to give it its color and also give it that really rich flavor as well. All right, now you see me adding a little cornstarch to thicken it up, and it's going to kind of continue to add chicken stock as needed to make sure that I have enough gravy to cover the chicken. So now I'm just adding the chicken back to the pan. I'm going to simmer the chicken until it's done. Now I'm also going to add the potatoes that I sauteed to the chicken as well, so you can go ahead and suck up some of those juices from the gravy. And I'm going to just top it out with some salt and some pepper, and just let it simmer till it's done, you guys. And it's just simple as that. Super easy, super inexpensive, but really delicious. This is everything that was under there, y'all. So you can see this is what it looks like. Yeah. So I got a lot of organizing to do, you guys. So wish me luck, y'all. I don't know what all this stuff is. Like, what is this stuff? Like, why am I like this? I don't know. But let's get started, y'all. Just like a tray once I put these beans here. These I got from IKEA. And then put same here, 1 and 1. Guys, and this is the final product. Everything is organized and has a place. I can kind of go to everything at the tip of my fingertips, and the way everything is located. So it looks a lot better than it did before. Let me know if you guys have organized up under your bathroom sinks as well. If you have, let me comment below if you guys have seen these containers in your local Home Goods as well. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.